All right, so this is our last section for our guided notes today, distributive property. Some synonyms for distribute are share or hand out. So with the distributive property, you are doing multiplication across all the stuff inside the parentheses. So here's some examples. We've got 5 of them, and I'll expect you to do the your turn number 1 as soon as I get done with these. All right, so when we say distribute, we're handing out the number outside of the parentheses to our terms inside our parentheses through multiplication. So we'll have 4 times 2x plus 4 times 3. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12. That's all. Okay? Same thing, go ahead and hand out the number outside the parentheses to all of our terms inside parentheses through multiplication. So you've got 6 times 7x minus 6 times 5. 6 times 7x is 42x minus 6 times 5, which is 30. All right, again, now we're going to be distributing and then solving. Okay, so distribute first the number outside the parentheses to the terms inside. 8 times 4x minus 8 times 2 is equal to 80. 8 times 4x is 32x minus 8 times 2, which is 16. And then you just solve by using PEMDAS backwards, your SADMIT. So you go ahead and add 16 on both sides first. You've got 32x equaling to 96. You'll divide both sides by the coefficient now, and x is going to be equal to 3. All right, our next example, same thing. Distribute the negative 5 to everything inside our parentheses, all the terms. Negative 5 times 2x minus negative 5 times 11 equals to 75. So negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x minus negative 5 times 11, which is negative 55, equaling to 75. A minus and a negative together become a positive. All right, and now we can solve. So we'll subtract negative 55 first from both sides. Negative 10x is going to be equal to 20. Divide both sides by negative 10. X is equal to negative 2. In our final example, we're going to distribute the negative to everything inside the parentheses, which just means you're going to give me the opposite of all of our terms inside our parentheses. So our positive 8x becomes negative 8x, and our negative 7 becomes positive 7, still equaling to 55, and you will solve. So subtract 7 from both sides first, and 55 minus 7 is 48. Finally, you'll divide both sides by negative 8, and x is equal to negative 6. Go ahead and solve the your term.